Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to fix a very commonly occurred date issue in Google Sheets. Okay, so let's see what this is all about. So for example, in this tabular area, conditional formatting is applied to highlight the rows when the date column matches today's date. Okay, but you can see that my computer shows the current date is 25th December 2025, and here the highlighted row is for 26th December. So how can we fix this? So to fix that, go to the File tab, then Settings. Okay, now in the time zone, make sure that the time zone is selected according to the time zone of your computer. Okay, so for my case the time zone is this one. Okay, so let's see, save and reload. Okay, now the row for the date of 25th December is being highlighted, which is correct according to the date of my computer. Okay, so this is how to fix this commonly occurred issue in Google Sheets. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.